जैसा कि आपको सभी को मालूम है कि माइक्रो स्मॉल enterprises including khadi and coir industries plays a very important role in terms of GDP, in terms of employment, in terms of industrial production, and in terms of export. But these units are not in position to get their proper share in the market. Marketing is one of the biggest problem for the micro small enterprises. To support these micro small units, including khadi and coir industries, Government of India, Ministry of MSME has recently brought a policy that is known as a Public Procurement Policy 2012. This policy is very important policy, I think, in the present industrial scenario. It is very important policy. This policy has been declared and approved by the Cabinet from the 1st April 2012. This policy is going to be mandatory from 1st April 2015 after 3 years. Within 3 years, under this policy, all the government, central government departments, ministries, public sector undertakings has to procure their 20% of their annual requirement from the micro small sectors. And out of these departments have to prepare themselves for the annual procurements, and they have to procure 20% from the micro small sectors, and out of 20% of 20%, 20% of 20%, that is 4% of the total procurement, they have to procure from the micro small enterprises belonging to the SC/ST candidate. In case these SC/ST enterprises are not in position to participate in the tender, or they are not in position to fulfill the requirement of the tender, this 20% share may go to the other micro small enterprises. This policy is going to be mandatory with effect from 1st April 2015. And in case the government departments, ministries, they are not in position to procure 20%, they have to substantiate the reasons to the committee headed by the Secretary MSME, the reasons behind thereof. The micro small enterprises, they will get 15% price preference over L1 price quoted by the units. And micro small enterprises, those who are registered with NSIC, they will be in position to get exemption from the earnest money deposits, tender free of cost, and security deposits also. Government of India has also provided list of 358 items which are exclusively be procured from the micro small sector only. This is one of the very important policy, except some of the items which are of the critical nature and concerning to the defense purpose have not been put under this scheme. But overall, this scheme is very important schemes, and accordingly, Ministry of MSME has given some of the programs to the concerned MSME all over the country to organize national level vendor development program and state level vendor development program. And accordingly, MSME New Delhi this year has been assigned 4 national level vendor development program and 20 numbers of the state level programs. During these programs, we are organizing the industrial exhibitions also, wherein the micro small enterprises, they put their exhibits to show their capabilities and abilities, and the government departments, especially railway, defense, BHEL, etc., they put their stalls to show their requirements. They put their designs, specification also. So this year we have organized already 2 programs. One program is being organized on 22nd and 23rd of this month at Hudda, Sector 12 in Faridabad. This event is going to be organized on 12th and 13th. It's my humble suggestion to all the micro small enterprises and the members of the All India Confederation that they should submit their application to our office, and they can participate in the exhibition so that they can interact also during buyer-seller meet with the representative of the government departments and other personals. And they can have the direct interaction regarding their business, regarding their requirements, and what micro small enterprises they can offer them as a manufacturers. Second thing is that we have got different types of the schemes, as Mr. Sareen was requesting. We have got the schemes of reimbursement of ISO 9000, ISO 14000, and HACCP. We have got the barcoding schemes. We have the MDA scheme, Marketing Development Assistance schemes. We have product certification schemes. So in this way, under NMCP and under DCMSME schemes, we have got very important and very useful schemes. But it's my observation. I have very recently joined at MSME New Delhi, but this is my experience that the applications are not sufficient, whereas the funds are available sufficient. So it's my humble request that you should try to avail the schemes as far as this complexity of the scheme is concerned. As Mr. Sareen was telling, I am saying that the schemes guidelines are very, very simple. The pro forma and their application pro forma and guidelines are available in the website. Very simple, only they have to use all the language given in the pro forma, only they have to change their name and address, etc. Nothing else. And these guidelines are very simple guidelines. I think that the simplest guidelines are there. Only the thing is that the micro small enterprises, they have to read it, they have to prepare the application according to the guidelines, and they should submit the application in the prescribed format according to the guidelines plus documents. And if the application is complete in all the respects, I am telling you that my office will not take them more than 15 days to process the case.